How to increase transfer limit on SIB mobile application. First, you want to go to the SIB digital application, and here you want to tap on these three bars. After that, you want to make sure that you're logged in into your account, and tap on help and support over here, and you can tap on this website option over here. By doing so, you'll be redirected to the official website, and here you want to scroll down, tap on I agree, and here you want to scroll down and tap on scroll down all the way and tap on have a question. After that, you want to tap on make an inquiry, scroll down again, and you want to fill out these informations over here, like your first name, your last name, and every information that the website is asking. And here you want to specify or make an request to increase your transfer limit. Here you want to apply your reasons to. Here you want to give a reason. Here you want to give a reason for this increase in transfer limit. And if your reason is valid, you'll be able to get an increase on your transfer limit. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, do comment down below.